The recirculating aquaculture system RAS achieves 95% reuse of aquaculture water through 3 modules: physical filtration, biological treatment, and intelligent monitoring, ensuring the healthy growth of fish throughout the entire process. The fish pond serves as the primary aquaculture facility and is equipped with SI drainage level controller. The dual drainage system efficiently separates fish feces and leftover feed, with one drainage path leading to the vertical flow sedimentation tank and the other to the microfilter. The vertical flow sedimentation tank utilizes the principle of gravitational settling to remove 70% of fish feces and leftover feed from the fish pond. The microfilter's rotating drum screen has a pore size of 50 to 100 microns. Wastewater flows through the rotating screen, where suspended solids are retained, removing 80 to 90% of suspended particles. The protein separator utilizes the principle of flotation to remove suspended particles smaller than 50 microns. The ozone system uses ozone to efficiently inactivate pathogens. Biochemical treatment system: high-pressure air generated by high-speed aerator is released through a diffuser plate to produce microbubbles, providing dissolved oxygen for nitrifying bacteria. MBBL biological media, which are colonized by nitrifying bacteria, convert ammonia, nitrogen, and nitrite in the water into nitrate. Carbon dioxide Edison tower removes carbon dioxide from water to prevent acidification of water bodies. UV sterilization inactivates pathogens by emitting 253.7 nanometers ultraviolet rays from UV lamps. The oxygenation system uses oxygen cones and ceramic oxygenation discs to efficiently oxygenate the water in fish ponds. The oxygen cones work by drawing water and oxygen in from the top. Under high pressure, the water jet and oxygen bubbles mix sterilely, resulting in oxygen utilization of over 95%. The temperature control system uses geothermal or air source heat pumps to regulate the temperature of the water, achieving the most suitable water temperature for aquaculture. The water quality monitor tests water quality using multi-parameter prompts that measure dissolved oxygen, pH, and temperature. If any of the values exceed the set values, it controls the operation of the relevant equipment. The automatic feeder feeds in dual mode according to the set time and weight. Through precise water treatment processes and intelligent management, the RAS system achieves 95% water savings, making it the preferred solution for sustainable aquaculture.